Hello there, it's the General Tomahawk 10 Mutinere, and I'm back with another episode of the Billionaire Reading Club. And here's some cash right here. Might not be $1 billion, but it's like Tai Lopez was saying the other day, and Patrick Bet David, as well as, of course, actual billionaires Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett. If you really want to get ahead in the financial game, in the business game, then you really need to get in the habit of reading books. Books will take you far because you're going to gain knowledge, and knowledge is power. And that knowledge is what's going to allow you to build the business assets that you really want. So it's like Kiyosaki says, Robert Kiyosaki, the Rich Dad, Poor Dad author. He says that the rich don't work for money, and he says when you go in there to work and take a job, you really want to do it for learning purposes, to gain valuable, lucrative knowledge that you can use. Another way you can do that, guess what? Is by reading books, and this is why you want to become a fan of reading books. So one great book I would recommend to start off this episode of the Billionaire Reading Club is The $1 Billion Secret by Raphael Bedziag. This is a great book. If you are at all interested in business and making money, being a billionaire, or whatever your goals are in business, that's a great starting point, and it will really take you really far if you take the lessons to heart and you actually start to do what's recommended in the book.